Hey everyone, let's unbox this Viltrox 40mm f2.5. This lens is the Sony E-mount lens. It's also available in Nikon Z, but they're optically the same. The only thing that's different is the mount and which camera they can fit on. So once I get this tape cut here, what you're going to see inside is pretty much standard Viltrox packaging. It's going to come in some open cell polyurethane. There's going to be a bag right there on top that you can carry the lens in to prevent damage, some warranty and similar information as well. The bag is, as always, pretty standard. It's nothing super special, but it will get the job done and keep your lens from getting dinged up. There's some other desiccant pack and a QA sticker, and then there's the actual lens inside a little protective bag as well. It's going to come with front and rear lens caps as well as a lens hood. The lens hood is plastic. It's only okay. I haven't noticed it doing any real good for the lens, quite honestly, in terms of flare and reduction. Also, after a few months that I've had it now, it does have a little bit of trouble mounting and unmounting. It's a little bit loose because the plastic on it has gotten worn down by the handful, like 8 times I've mounted and unmounted it. For image quality, here are a handful of sample images I've taken over the course of a couple of shoots with it. I'm honestly incredibly impressed by this lens's images. The details are super sharp. The contrast is incredible. The colors really just are something else. I can't really even describe it or compare it to anything else. There are no other lenses I've used that have colors exactly like this. It's consistently delivered images I'm very happy with, and this is a lens that I think will probably stay in my bag for quite a while.